हैन ये नाति बाबु, रेडियो बजाऊ त, रेडियो सुन्न पर्यो।
रेडियो नै सुन्ने हो र बा, के आउँछ र?
अब के आउने हो, गीत सङ्गीत सूचना मनोरञ्जन सबै आउँछ के।
होइन बा, कुन रेडियोमा आउँछ हो त्यस्तो?
अब यो हाम्रो नाति केटालाई अझै थाहा रहेनछ। त्यही रेडियो सन्देश 89.8 मेगाहर्जमा आउँछ नि। ल ल बजाइहाल त।
रेडियो सन्देश 89.8 मेगाहर्ज, सबैभन्दा पृथक, सबैभन्दा बेस्ट।
सुनवल नगरपालिका शिक्षा शाखाको सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थी तथा अभिभावक ज्यूहरूलाई अनुरोध। विश्वव्यापी महामारी कोभिडको कारण सम्पूर्ण विद्यालय र अन्य क्षेत्रमा बन्दाबन्दी भई लामो समयसम्म बाल बालिकाको पठन पाठन ठप्प रहेको अवस्थामा बाल बालिकाको सिकाइलाई निरन्तरता दिन सुनवल नगरपालिका र रेडियो सन्देश तथा रेडियो सुनवलको सहकार्यमा यही असार 4 गते बिहिबारबाट सुनवल पाठशाला कार्यक्रम रेडियो सन्देश 89.8 मेगाहर्ज र रेडियो सुनवल 90.7 मेगाहर्जबाट निम्न तालिका बमोजिम एफएम कक्षा सञ्चालन हुने भएकाले सम्पूर्ण अभिभावक ज्यूहरूलाई आफ्ना बाल बालिकाहरूलाई उक्त समयमा सहभागी गराइदिनु हुन अनुरोध गर्दछौँ। रेडियो सुनवलमा पठन पाठन हुने समय कक्षा 3 को बिहान 9:30 देखि बिहान 10 बजेसम्म, कक्षा 4 को बिहान 10:05 देखि 10:40 सम्म, कक्षा 5 को बिहान 11:05 देखि 11:45 बजेसम्म, कक्षा 6 को मध्याह्न 12:10 देखि 12:55 सम्म र कक्षा 1 को दिउँसो 1:10 देखि 1:40 सम्म। त्यस्तै रेडियो सन्देशमा कक्षा सञ्चालन हुने समय कक्षा 2 को बिहान 9:05 देखि 9:30 सम्म, कक्षा 10 को दिउँसो 2:05 देखि 3 बजेसम्म, कक्षा 9 को दिउँसो 3:10 देखि 4 बजेसम्म, कक्षा 8 को दिउँसो 4:10 देखि 5 बजेसम्म र कक्षा 7 को साँझ 5:10 देखि 6 बजेसम्म। अनुरोधक सुनवल नगरपालिका शिक्षा शाखा।
First of all, I would like to say good morning. All is me Chandrakant Pandey. All they representing my school, Baba Bardagaria Basic Level Small Kawani. I am really thankful to Small Municipality Education Department and Radio Sanders 89.8 Hertz and for providing me this opportunity to be the part of this program. We are passing a bad situation because of corona disease. I hope it will help to learn for the children. सम्पूर्ण आदरणीय अभिभावकजीहरू, हामी यो विषम परिस्थितिबाट गुज्रिरहेको अवस्थामा हाम्रा बाल बालिकालाई एउटा सानो भए पनि सहयोग होस् भन्नका कारण हामीले रेडियो सन्देश 89.8 मेगाहर्जबाट हामीले हाम्रो पात्रोको मूल्याङ्कन एप्सबाट इन्टरनेट अनलाइन का www.sandeshfm.com सन्देश एफएम को अफिसियल फेसबुक पेजबाट कार्यक्रम सुनोल पाठशाला प्रत्यक्ष रूपमा सुन्न र हेर्न सक्नुहुनेछ र सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थीहरूलाई सहयोग गरिदिनु हुनको लागि म विनम्र अनुरोध गर्दै म आजको क्लासलाई सुरु गर्न गइरहेको छु। माई डियर स्टुडेन्ट्स, हेलो, गुड मर्निङ स्टुडेन्ट्स अफ क्लास 2. Congratulations everybody when you had passed grade 1. Okay, class 2, my dear students, open the English book, class 2 English book, chapter 1 and page number at page number 1. This chapter is phone call from America. A phone call from America. My dear students, you look their pictures. Look at the pictures here. Who are they? Look and find out who are they. There are some two closely friends. Now, look there, find out who is Ayush and who is Manoj. Dear children, find out who are they at the picture. Look at the picture and who are they. Please find out and say who are they. They are family. There are many families. There are many families in the pictures. Ayush and Manoj families are also there, and other neighborhood also there. Neighbors are also there. So Ayush and Manoj were in the same class. They were very good friends. Ayush, the father of Ayush, was an engineer in America. He decided to call all his family to America too. So they are coming here. What do we say when our friends are leaving? What do we say when we meet them again? So how do we celebrate by? On October Day, Ayush and this family got ready to leave. Many neighbors and friends gathered to say bye-bye to them. Ayush cut the hands of the best friend, Manoj, and said, "Goodbye, Manoj. Goodbye, Manoj." Like. So, here are Ayush and Manoj, very closely friend. Look this picture. This picture show Manoj and Ayush was closely friend, very deeply friend. Manoj was sad. His best friend was going far away, America. There were tears in both of their eyes. Manoj said, "Goodbye, Ayush, and a happy journey. Do not forget me." "How can I forget you, Manoj? You are my best friend. As soon as I reach America, I shall phone you." Manoj did not say anything. He was really very sad. They had spent many happy moments together. In the class, they sat on the same bench. They shared books and other necessary things. They shared on another snacks too. It was a difficult moment for both of them to say goodbye. Slowly, Ayush and his family moved away. They took a taxi to move towards the airport. The rest waved their hands and said bye and take care. Manoj did not eat anything, everything. He took just a cup of soup and went to bed very sadly to sleep now there. He could not sleep. The following day too was unhappy. At around 10 o'clock, the telephone bell rang. Everyone else was asleep. Manoj, who was still sleeps in memory of his friend, received the call. Good morning, Manoj. It is Ayush. Hi, Ayush. Good night. Manoj said. Morning, look out, the sun is go up. It is night. It is dark, and I am sleeping. The children continued arguing for a long time. The telephone was cut after a while. In the morning, Manoj told his father about their debate. With a smile, the father said, Honey, when we have day here, the Americans have night. Manoj remembered what his teacher had told in the class one day. He quickly told his father, So, Daddy, I got it now. My dear students, and turn again in the beginning time, and look there, who are they? Who are they? Now, find out now here. Yes, Ayush and Manoj. Who is Ayush and who is Manoj family? Ayush family and Manoj family. Ayush family, here Ayush father is wearing eyeglass and carrying a suitcase, and Ayush mother is wearing sari. So these three persons are Ayush family, and here is standing their side Manoj, close near his father, and all neighbors family comes also there. Many friends also come there to say goodbye Ayush. So all are very sad, very sad. They Ayush and his family got ready to leave, ready, and many neighbors and friends gathered to say bye-bye to them. Ayush caught hands of the best friend and said, Goodbye, Manoj. I don't forget you. Please, you don't forget me. Say also, and Ayush also said, How do I forget you, Manoj? Okay, I call you from America. Please, okay, don't worry. Like this, said the clerk. And these friends are very close friends. All the times to play with together, and sat on the bench and ate snacks. They shared on another snacks too also. It was very difficult moment for both of them to say goodbye. Goodbye. Slowly, Ayush and his family go away. They look a taxi to move towards the airport. The rest waved their hands and said, Bye and take care. Bye and take care. Manoj did not eat anything at the night. That evening, he took just soup, and just a cup of soup, and went to bed. He could not sleep. Remember all the friends. He could not sleep. Manoj was very sad, and Ayush went to very far away. Just opposite Nepal's opposite is America. America opposite of Nepal. So at around here is 10 o'clock now. When we have day here, the America have night. When we have night here, the America day. So that's correctly opposite. And at around 10 o'clock, the telephone bell rang when Manoj was sleeping. Everyone else was asleep. Everyone else sleep. Manoj was still sleeps in memory of his friend. Only Manoj not sleep, but all are sleeps now there. His friend received the call. Good morning, Manoj. Manoj, I said good morning, but Manoj sleeping now time there. There in Nepal, it is night time, but said good morning. And hi Ayush, good night, Manoj said. And morning, look out, the sun is up. Oh, morning, look out, the sun is up, said Ayush. It is night, it is dark, and I am sleeping. Exciting, said Manoj. The children continued arguing for a long time. The telephone was cut after a while. In the morning, Manoj told his father about their debate. With a smile, the father said, Honey, when we have day here, the Americans have night. Dear children, and we read this passage, now we hear and we recognize who are they, and you also say you, me, please. And I ask questions, please you tell me. Where was the family Ayush going? Where was the family of Ayush going? Where was the family of Ayush going? Now write the questions, everybody. Where was Ayush of family going? And you find the answer. You should find answer. Why was Manoj sad? Why was Manoj sad? Write down, and you write down answer, please. Why was Manoj sad? And find out answer, you read now there in the chapter. Number C. What did Ayush say when Manoj said, Hi Ayush, good night? What did Ayush say when Manoj said, Hi Ayush, good night? What did Ayush say? And what do the Americans have when the Nepalese have day? So everybody, we should know what do we say when our friends are living, and what do we say when we meet them again. So we learn about these things. Now everybody, students, now start to read and find your difficult words. Now you are begin to the read now in the beginning paragraph. There how many difficult word you write and point down. Point and I say you difficult words. Snacks. What is mean by snacks? Light food taken in the afternoon. Light food taken in the afternoon. Snacks. Debate. Discuss in support and opposition of some things. Discuss in support and opposition of some things. Airport. A place where planes land and fly from. A place where planes land and fly from. Arguing. Saying that what I say is correct. Saying that what I say is correct. Yes, everybody, students, and slowly read this lesson and find out answers and find out difficult words. Everybody, students. Yes. So now I write some questions here. Where was the family? Number one question. Questions. Answer the questions now. Number one. Where was the family? Where was the family of Ayush going? Going. Ayush going. And B, 2 number. Why was Manu sad? Why was Manoj sad? Number 3, what did Ayush say? What did Ayush say? Ayush say when Manoj said. When Manoj said. Hi Ayush. Hi Ayush. Good night. Good night. And what do the Americans have? What do the Americans have when Danya, please. When the Nepalites have they. Now, you find out this of this passage, this answers. Find out answers of this on this passage, please, everybody, and write down. And your teachers come in your home, and so you will solve this answer these questions. Homo paragraph. Okay, and now I ask you, which family are they? Which family are they? Look at picture. Which family are they? You revise now, everybody. Whose family are they? They are Manoj and Ayush family and their neighbors. And what was happened here? What was happened here? This 1 October day, Ayush and his family got ready to leave. Ayush, the father of Ayush was an engineer in America. So he decided to call all his family to America too. That's Ayush, Manoj, closely friend Ayush, really got ready to leave. Many neighbors and friends gathered to say bye-bye to them. Ayush caught the hands of the best friend Manoj and said, goodbye Manoj, like this. Okay, so all our students, please, you read carefully this lesson and you write answer of these questions. You find answer from this passage and you find difficult words from this passage, and I say you, after I say you answer and the difficult words meaning now, everybody. And So now look here, everybody. How do we set and living time to doing, and how do we say doing meeting time? So living time very sadly, cryingly, and very sad face to looking goodbye, 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 and meeting time very happy. Okay, and we know here what do we say when our friends are living and again meet at that time. Okay, goodbye, and everybody, students, I am today close this class. Goodbye, bye bye.
सुनवल नगरपालिका शिक्षा शाखाको सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थी तथा अभिभावकज्यूहरूलाई अनुरोध। विश्वव्यापी महामारी कोभिडको कारण सम्पूर्ण विद्यालय र अन्य क्षेत्रमा बन्दाबन्दी भई लामो समयसम्म बाल बालिकाको पठन पाठन ठप्प रहेको अवस्थामा बाल बालिकाको सिकाइलाई निरन्तरता दिन सुनवल नगरपालिका र रेडियो सन्देश तथा रेडियो सुनवलको सहकार्यमा यही असार 4 गते बिहीबारबाट सुनवल पाठशाला कार्यक्रम रेडियो सन्देश 89.8 मेगाहर्ज र रेडियो सुनवल 90.7 मेगाहर्जबाट निम्न तालिका बमोजिम एफएम कक्षा सञ्चालन हुने भएकाले सम्पूर्ण अभिभावकज्यूहरूलाई आफ्ना बाल बालिकाहरूलाई उक्त समयमा सहभागी गराइदिनु हुन अनुरोध गर्दछौं। रेडियो सुनवलमा पठन पाठन हुने समय कक्षा 3 को बिहान 9:30 देखि बिहान 10 बजेसम्म, कक्षा 4 को बिहान 10:05 देखि 10:40 सम्म, कक्षा 5 को बिहान 11:05 देखि 11:45 बजेसम्म, कक्षा 6 को मध्याह्न 12:10 देखि 12:55 सम्म र कक्षा 1 को दिउँसो 1:10 देखि 1:40 सम्म। त्यस्तै रेडियो सन्देशमा कक्षा सञ्चालन हुने समय कक्षा 2 को बिहान 9:05 देखि 9:30 सम्म, कक्षा 10 को दिउँसो 2:05 देखि 3 बजेसम्म, कक्षा 9 को दिउँसो 3:10 देखि 4 बजेसम्म, कक्षा 8 को दिउँसो 4:10 देखि 5 बजेसम्म र कक्षा 7 को साँझ 5:10 देखि 6 बजेसम्म। अनुरोधक सुनवल नगरपालिका शिक्षा शाखा।
सबैभन्दा पृथक, सबैभन्दा बेस्ट, यो रेडियो सन्देश 89.8।